Hello, my friends. I'm not introducing myself because I'm only doing this for you, for the people who are in my Kindermusik program right now, for those who have been in my Kindermusik program before, those of you who are part of my Kindermusik family. This has been an incredibly strange year, and I really am doing my best to be able to be what I need to be for you. And I'm struggling in some ways, including the fact that I've lost some things to me recently, and that I'm not able to do all of the things that I normally do, or the extra things that I want to do for you. But I could not let Valentine's Day go away without letting you know how I love you, how much I love you as part of my Kindermusik family, what I love about you as part of my Kindermusik family. And I just wanted to tell you from my heart. So I love that you want your child to thrive in their own way. You're okay with them being their own unique self, and that you want them to thrive, and that you can see that their love of music is going to help open up so much of the world to them. I love that. I love watching your love for your child. It is so evident as you're interacting with them. The laughter that you have when you see the joy in their face and their discovery or their ability to do new things. I love the way that you beam at their new skills, and you're so proud of them, and you can see them being proud of themselves. I love the way that you support them when they're struggling, whether it's emotionally or with a new skill, and you give them just the right amount of support that they need to be able to kind of get past that challenging part. And if they can't get past it in class, then you know that they can be supported in many different ways. So I love the fact that I can see that love with you and the way you interact with your child, even when they're not being their best self. It's okay. We're all here with you. I just love that love. I love that you truly want your child to have amazing teachers. I'm not saying that I'm the most amazing teacher. I love what I do, and I'm so glad that you can see the connection that I can have as a teacher with your child, and also the fact that you know that you are the most amazing teacher for your child, because you're the ones that your children learn the most from. They are with you the majority of the time. And this is you are coming here and not only seeing them interact with the teacher, but you're also learning new ways to teach. And you're absorbing that and you're trying it out. And we are helping each other try out new things. And that you're working to see what works best for your child. Because maybe your child prefers to do it more quietly and learn by watching, and maybe your child is very active and learns by moving until you're up and moving around with them and engaging them in their own way. So you're learning how your child learns. I love seeing you become your child's best teacher. Thank you. It's awesome. I love that part. I love that I love your interest in learning more about child development. You know, the little snippets that I try to give out in class while we're doing an activity, and all the benefits that we're getting from those different activities, and also how, you know, I send some more information via email, or I try to make videos, or I use blog articles, and those are there for you. And sometimes you get a chance to read them and sometimes you don't, and it's okay. They're there for you whenever you need it. And if you don't have time to read and you have a question, I love that you call and you ask me about it, because we can work through it individually. I love that you are contacting me and saying, okay, I can't read anything, help me right now. And it's okay, I'm here for you. It's okay. I love that you're asking me, and I love that you want to know more, and that you're listening so that you can get more of that child development information. I love that you show up to class, even if you're having a bad day, even if you've got a diaper blowout, even if you're late. You're showing up and you're doing the best you can in the moment. I think that's what we're all doing. And that's actually what I'm doing right now, is that the best that I have in this moment, this Valentine's Day, is just to tell you how much you mean to me and what I love about you. So I love that we're just all doing the best that we can, no matter what. Okay. So cool on you for that. I love how you want the best for your child. And I'm so grateful that you believe that the process of music uh, and the and for through me and through this amazing Kindermusik program is what you're seeing as some of the best things that you can have for your child. Thank you so much for putting your trust in me and for sharing your children with me. And finally, I love how we extend grace and patience and support for each other in class. Some of us are getting, just doing this in class, and some of us are doing it in some of our evening Zoom get-togethers. But I love the way that we're showing support to each other, recognizing our mutual struggles, lifting each other up when it's hard, and celebrating our best efforts towards being what we need to be for our children. So there's more, I'm sure there's more, but those are the things that really stuck out in my mind right now as I was thinking about it today on Valentine's Day. And I wanted to tell you happy Valentine's Day, and that the love that I feel here in our Kindermusik family is something I treasure. So thank you. Have a wonderful day. And I love that this love goes all year round, not just on Valentine's Day. Okay, take care of yourselves. Be well. Merry melodies.